students. Welcome back to our IT class. I hope all are safe at home. Did you watch the previous video? Okay. In the last class, we discussed the Audacity software. Do you remember it? Okay. Today we will discuss how to record the sound, save an audio, and export an audio. Okay. Let's start the class. Our Audacity software is ready for recording. For recording the sound, click the record button from the transport toolbar. Now we can record a sound. Take care to present the ideas in a firm voice with proper modulation. These blue words indicates that the sound is recording in a proper way. After recording the sound, click the stop button from the transport toolbar. Now the recording is stopped. Next, we need to save the sound. For that, select Save Project from the File menu. Click OK in the window that opens. A new window opens. Type suitable file name. Select the folder where the file is to be saved. Then press Save. The file that we saved now is an Audacity project file. It is better to save it as a project file for bringing about changes and making additions to it. Audacity project file has to be opened with the help of Audacity software. It is saved as .aup file. Shall we open the recorded file once again? For that, double-click the recorded file. See the opening file opened in the Audacity software. If you want to play the recorded sound, press the play button.
Ha pushpame adhika tunga padattiletra shobhichirunnidoru.
If you want to stop the recording, press stop button. We have to save this audio file in the suitable format. MP3 is such an audio format. WAV, MP3 and OGG are all audio file formats. Using Audacity, we can prepare an audio files in any format. Clear? Okay. Next, we need to learn how to convert an audio file. For that, click Export Audio from the File menu. Next, select an audio format. We can select any format such as WAV, MP3 or OGG and type suitable file name here. I select MP3 and select a folder and click Save. Click OK in the window that opens. Now our file is exported. Did you understand today's topics? Okay. Our fourth lesson, sound recording in the computer, is over. In this chapter, we discussed a recording software, Audacity, and also we learned some buttons of Audacity software. These buttons are commonly known as transport toolbar. Then we discussed the use of these tools. After that, we saved the recording file and exported it. Students, did you understand this chapter? Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you.